Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my face. Got my Davina order. I'm gonna do my PR Ipsy unboxing, which I'm not getting the paid for box this month. Not impressed with the choices, so I'm like, And I was gonna do spoilers, but like, this is just way too, this week has been so crazy. So I will be doing spoilers next month though. I'm kind of disappointed because I've been doing spoilers for a little bit, but I don't even have to, I just didn't have time. So first we have this bag, which look, there's glitter on it. Like, I don't know who, I thought this was like a good idea, okay? Like, I don't like bags where like the glitter's actually coming off, which it doesn't, oh no, there's a flake, ugh. But this is the Ipsy Glam bag for the month. I do like the little like ornament, but like this is like a rough, it's not, All right, so we have the Ace Beauty Slick Luster Lip Gloss. I haven't opened anything. This is pretty purple. Stella's right there, my 80-pound bulldog. Ooh, it's like a pink lip gloss. Okay, let's do a try on. In a good mood. There's literally no scent at all. Is it like a... Does that have any color at all? Not complaining, but hold on, look in the mirror. I actually like that. Okay. Sorry, my hair is frizzy, but also not sorry. I just was outside. Okay. Woo. I like that. I'll have to see how much that is. It feels like moisturizing, but there's not a lot of stick to it. Okay, I like that. I'm not wearing a stitch of makeup right now. And then this is from, I swear I have something from them. I think it is a leave-in conditioner, which I don't really like it did anything. This is from Silky, or I believe, like it has like a little thing on the E. The hair detangler spray is just like a little mini. It's paraben-free and sulfate-free. Has camellia, oleifera, rice protein, and grapeseed oil. So it's vegetarian. And yes, just this little thing, which I mean, I guess it's good to travel if we are about to go to California for Christmas. So I guess that's good. This is not cruelty free. Dr. Brandt, we've been getting Dr. Brandt for years. And guess what? Never use them because they're not cruelty free. It is their microdermabrasion. So this will be going in someone's stocking for Christmas. And then we have from Mana Kadar, which I think I've only seen in Boxycharm. This is Raised, the packaging. Actually really sleek. Kind of reminds me of like Urban Decay, like Naked 2 vibes. So yeah, Mana Kadar Beauty Step 3 Diamond Dust. I don't even know what this is. Let's see. Oh, it's a... Oh, never mind. So it is used as a bronzer, highlighter, shadow, or on lips for a metallic finish. So it's like this... Well, you know, I'm not wearing any... Oh, no. It's a roller. But this is not going to be good. I just don't have a good feeling about this, but let's put on the eyes. Even though, oh, no. I mean, it's a pretty color, but I know this stuff is going to crease. I feel like I had something like this from Urban Decay, like, back in the day. I mean, it is pretty. Let's see by the end of this video if it creases or not. I mean, I guess it's just like an easy look, but like, it doesn't seem like it's very even. I don't know. Who's using this as a bronzer? Like, I mean, it's pretty, but that was interesting. I wonder how much that costs. I will be blending this out, but that was different. I don't know what I thought that was gonna be. Be kind of a weird highlighter color for me, but we're gonna blend that papa out. I bet this is gonna crease because everything creases on me when I don't have an eyeshadow primer on. Up. We are just starting to crease, but we're gonna see if that sets. Okay, that is and it's an interesting product, so that might be going to somebody. And then we have from Shades by Sean, which I have their, I think I gave it away, their setting spray, and I think I have had an eyeliner from them. This is in the, I don't know why they do this, like the 2 different colors, but I think it is actually a blue or like a green or something, but I don't remember this lasting in my waterline at all. It's in the shade Jasmine. Yeah, I don't remember this lasting in the waterline, so that'll be going away to somebody. So I really did not like this bag. I mean, the lip gloss is fine, but other than that, like, not really impressed. I'm not usually impressed with the Glam bag, just being completely honest. I think there's better bags out there. And then I think this is just a, so then for the Boxycharm by Ipsy box, this, I think this just came for creators who get this in PR, but it's some, I believe it's some socks. It says Ipsy Creator Incubator. Ooh, yeah, these fuzzy socks. Okay. You can never have enough fuzzy socks, and they're pink and cute. And then also got this bag, which I think will be really nice for travel. Again, I'm actually going away for Christmas. Oh, cute. Maybe I can, oh, is it for like a Stanley cup, which I don't have. I have like the knockoffs, which I still like. And then the brushes that just fell on the floor. These are so pretty. They are from MODA, which I think it's a makeup of the day. So, wait, MOTD, makeup of the day. Look how pretty these colors are. And then you get this cute, so like this is a classic, like, well, I'm probably not gonna use this fully, but it's like an eyeliner brush. And then they're not dual colors. I've used them. We have a blending brush. That is the eye-catching crease. And then this is the Brow Chica Wow. Brow Chica Wow. And then the pigment packer, which I use this on my outer corner and then blended it in. And then look how adorable this little smudger is. I mean, I guess you could use it on the inner corner too, or anything that you want. No fudge, just smudge. And then this blending brush, which is the Blending Bestie. I did just get some brushes from Davina. Sneaky peek, I'm gonna be filming this. Oh, it's so cute. Anyway, that's my Black Friday sale for Christmas. But yeah, I thought this was a really good set. Like, little 5-piece. Well, this was really 6. And then from Purelisse, Kale and Vitamin K exfoliator. What's with all the exfoliators? We get one like every month. And then the Nip and Fab Renew Retinol Fix Blemish Gel Treatment. I don't know if this is cruelty-free or not. I'd have to check. It is vegan, but I don't know if it's cruelty-free. So if not, that'll be going to somebody. And then I swear we got this like a couple months ago. This Eye Color Squad. I'm serious. I really think we did get this. I'm not even gonna open it. That's just gonna go to a family member. But yeah, I like the brush set, the socks, but I don't think people got those except for unless you get a PR. So the brush set, I would say, was the best thing in that box. Just being completely honest about eyes, I'm really, I mean, like, even though this is PR, I'm still gonna give my honest review. I really want more from Boxycharm, please, like, and Ipsy Glam bag. Like, please, let's get some, like, maybe some like indie brands, like cool indie brands. Like, I don't know if Davina would want to do something like that. And look, yeah, no, that would not wear all day. And like, this looks ridiculous. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.